next topic is tips and tricks, and under this topic, let's say somebody is taking your interview and he has given one number to you, this number, and he can ask you lot of question with respect to this number. Somebody can ask you the class. It's a very simple question. Somebody can ask you how many bits belongs to network in this number. Find out network bits in this number. Somebody can say, can you find out the host bit from this number? Next question can be, what is the block size in this number? Next question, calculate NID for this number, or it can be the NID. In given number can be the NID, or somebody say calculate the NID, the same thing. NID, what is the BID of this number, or somebody say what is the, it is BID or not. Somebody can ask, what is first valid IP? Can be, it's a first valid IP. Last valid IP, it can be last valid IP. Total valid IP, can you find out the total valid IP from this number? Somebody can ask, what is the next NID after this NID, or whatever the number is given to you, calculate the NID of this number, and when you calculate the NID of this number, calculate the next NID. Somebody can ask you, it's a class full NID, or somebody can say it's a class less NID. Somebody can say, is it subnet ID? Somebody can say it's a supernet NID. Somebody can say it's a summary NID. So we are writing here lot of question. The number belongs to which class? C. Very simple, no problem. It's a class C number. How many bits belongs to network? 30. Given /30 belongs to network, 30. How many bits belongs to host? If you want to calculate the host bit, the formula is n equal to 32 minus the given value. How much came out? 2. IP address is 32 bits number, belongs to A, B or C, and the whatever is value is giving in slash, that is network bits. Calculate the network from the total bits. The host bit is 2. What is block size? 4. Now the given number is in that format. Better way is that write this mask in decimal dotted format. Whatever the question anybody asks to you, you will calculate this pattern only. Whatever I am giving to you, the pattern, you will write in this format, 30 equal to 252 in the last octave. Do not convert this number into, just listen to me, do not note down. I will give the time after the class. If you will find out the 255, do not convert into the binary, because generally we will convert the number into the binary format to calculate the NID with the help of the ending process. Do not convert into the binary format if 255s exist. Whatever is the number with respect to the 255, you will copy the same number and write here 199, 189, 169. Do not convert this number into the binary format. Do not convert 3 octet or 2 octet or 1 octet where 255s exist. Now, what is the value here? This method is not mentioned in book. 179 and 252. Do not convert into the binary format again. Can be the mistake. What is the block size as 252? What is the block size? 4. Now you have to memorize the table of the 4, and from the 4 you will divide 179. 4 4s are 1, then 9, 4 4s are 16. Whatever the value is coming, forget the fraction. Whatever the value is coming, multiply this value via block size. 44 into 4 will give you the NID. How much? 176. 176. It's your NID. When you will calculate your NID, now after calculating the NID, you will add 4. You will add block size in that number. You will get the next NID. 199, 189, 169. When you will add the 4, how much came out? 180. That is the next NID. Now you will complete your entire range. That is 199 will remain the same, 189 will remain, because 24 bit remain the same, 169. Now from the next NID, minus 1 equal to your BID. 179 is your BID, and from the BID minus 1, last valid. 178 your last valid IP, and NID plus 1 is your first valid IP, and from here to here, that is valid IP range. And the formula for the total valid IP is how much? 2 to the power n minus 2, 2 to the power 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. We have calculated each and everything here. See, block size 4. If somebody is saying is given number is NID, answer is no. Somebody is saying calculate NID, yes, you have calculated NID. Somebody is saying given number is BID, answer is yes. You have calculated the BID. Given number is BID, because BID is coming here. Total valid IP, next NID. It's a classful. No, it's not a classful. Classful means class C with 24 bits mask, class B with 16 bit mask, class A with 8 bit mask. If any number belongs to class C having the mask 24, classful. B number masking 16, classful. A number masking 8, classful. It's not classful, it's a class less. It's not classful, it's a class less. Given number is subnet, answer is yes. Given number is supernet, answer is no. Because in case of supernet, the masking will be less. Summary NID? No, never. We required multiple NIDs. So we have calculated all these things.